Here's everything you need to know about when to reseal your concrete driveway. 5 signs it's time. Here's what you need to know. Learn the 5 key signs your concrete driveway needs resealing and why timely maintenance saves thousands in repair costs. Typical resealing runs 0.50 to 1.50 per square foot. Quick answer: reseal your concrete driveway when you see water pooling, spalling, scaling, or fading color, typically every 2 to 3 years. Resealing costs 0.50 to 1.50 per square foot and takes 1 to 2 days, including cure time. Your concrete driveway is one of the most visible and hardworking surfaces on your home. In North Carolina's climate, where freeze-thaw cycles, summer heat, and occasional ice events put constant stress on concrete, the difference between a 10-year driveway and a 20-year driveway often comes down to one thing: timely resealing. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential and commercial concrete projects, from new installations to repair and maintenance. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. This post walks you through the 5 clearest signs your driveway needs resealing, and why catching these signs early can save you thousands in structural repairs. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in driveway installation, repair, and maintenance, including sealing and resealing projects for residential and commercial properties. Typical resealing costs range from 0.50 to 1.50 per square foot, depending on the driveway's condition and the sealer type selected. Unlike most concrete contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Concrete driveways in North Carolina's climate, marked by freeze-thaw cycles, summer heat, and occasional ice events, benefit most from resealing every 2 to 3 years to prevent water infiltration, spalling, and scaling damage. Moving on to sign 1. Water is pooling or not draining. One of the earliest and most reliable signs your concrete driveway needs resealing is water pooling after rain or snowmelt. When concrete sealer wears away, the surface loses its water-repellent properties and becomes porous. Water absorbs into the micropores of the concrete rather than running off. In areas where pooling occurs, that trapped water will freeze in winter, expand, and create stress cracks and spalling. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.